Hi everyone, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Spirit World Insights. And today my spirit guides would like to talk to you about the elements. So we're talking about 5 elements that make up this planet and this physical vessel that we are occupying in this carnation. So we are talking about fire, water, air, earth, and metal. And you might be like, why are we talking about the elements? Because here is a question. Have you ever noticed that you have a disharmony with one or more of the elements? I'll repeat that. Have you ever noticed a disharmony, something being out of alignment between you, this vessel, and one or more of those elements? What do I mean by disharmony? Okay, so disharmony could be a fear, phobia of one or more of them. Maybe an allergy that correlates back to one or more of the elements. That's what I mean about having a disharmony. If that resonates for you, if you're like, yeah, let's go through some examples. My guides are like, give them examples. Okay, so maybe you have a fear of swimming. Maybe not just swimming, but being in the water, right? Maybe you have allergy to pollens, trees, grasses, flowers, things like that. Maybe you have an allergy to metals so that you're not able to wear earrings, necklaces, rings, right? Those are examples of ways that the physical body cannot be in pure alignment and harmony with one of the elements. So if that sounds like you, then I would say the next question would be, is it possible to get back into harmony with those elements? And the answer to that is yes. And a lot of you might be like, what do you mean? I've been suffering forever, for as long as I can remember. And you mean to say that there's something you can do about it? And my guides brought to my attention very recently, the answer to that question is yes. And I noticed that over the years, they've been bringing in healing techniques with me, and they correlate to some of the elements. And then about a week ago, they told me that they were going to utilize those techniques with me going back through every single one of them. And it was amazing. It was such what I call aha moments to realize the power of being able to bring harmony back, especially when we're talking about fears and phobias. You know, allergies we kind of adapt and acclimate to, but fears and phobias are really difficult because that really stems and draws into the trauma. So when my guides were teaching me these techniques, they said it's real important to understand that you don't even have to know where it stems from. I can, because I'm a medium, I can actually go back into what lifetime did it start, what was the origin of it, but not everybody can do that. And they said it doesn't matter. It's a matter of calling in with pure intention to heal, a held space, okay, for that healing. Your higher self knows all of that information. And if you're not familiar yet with the higher self, it's your higher consciousness that is occupying this vessel for a temporary human experience. And that higher consciousness remembers all of your lifetimes, everything that's bringing you into now, and why you have those allergies, phobias, and fears now. And the reason you're noticing them over and over again is because it's being called up. It wants to be healed. So what I'm going to share with you today is the fact that I am actually working on doing an outline for a workshop to offer these tools and techniques to help you clear this disharmony. So if this interests you, stay tuned, because I'm hoping to have it dated for March, okay, this March 2023. So I'm really excited about it. I've been dealing with this my whole life. I know my allergies started at like age 10 or 12, and it has been breakthrough for me. So I'm really excited to be able to call this stuff forward and bring it, making it accessible to you guys so that you can help yourselves. In the workshop, I'll take you through all 5 elements, and we'll actually create and hold the space for the healing that day. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, you can always comment in the video, or you can email me at jackie@clearvibration.com. Okay, see you soon. Bye.